guys, today I'm going to show how to find Windows product license key in Windows. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually we can find our product key for the various reasons like reinstalling the OS or any other reason. So here I'm showing how to find those things. So for that you need to enter into the registry. Please search registry on your search bar and enter into the registry editor. Over there you need to select HKey local machine. On HKey local machine, double tap it and you need to select software. Following software, you need to double tap Microsoft and then scroll down. You may see Windows NT. Open the Windows NT. Over there, the current version, and then scroll down. You may see the software. Just scroll down. You may see the software protection platform. Over there, double tap it and you may see on the right side the product key default. So this states the product key. So this is how guys we need to find the product key very easily. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.